Hi, and welcome to RR Consultancy Services. In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to add and edit margins in Microsoft Word. Whether you're formatting a report, thesis, or business document, margins matter. First, check your brief for the margin guidance and open your Word document. Now go to the Layout tab on the top ribbon. It might also be called Page Layout in older versions. Click on Margins, and you'll see a drop-down list with common preset options like Normal, Narrow, and Wide. To use a preset, simply click the one that fits your need. For example, Normal sets margins to 1 inch on all sides. But if you want custom margins, click on Custom Margins at the bottom of the list. In the Page Setup window, enter the exact top, bottom, left, and right margins you want. You can even apply them to the entire document or just from a specific point onward. Once you've entered your custom values, click OK, and Word will instantly update your page layout. You'll see your content adjust to fit the new margins. And that's all it takes to add or edit margins in Microsoft Word. For more simple and professional how-to videos, be sure to subscribe to RR Consultancy Services. Thanks for watching.